Welcome to another video of mine. You're welcome to this channel. So today in this video we are going to be talking about discounts and Christmas gifts. Okay, so you know that for businessmen, for not only businessmen, anybody, okay, but mostly for business people. All right, so this is a season that you should be able to award your customers. Yes, you ask me, don't I know that things are expensive? Yes, I know. I know that things are expensive, especially in Nigeria at this moment, okay? But then, can you think of something to do to appreciate your customers that have been buying things from you, that have been patronizing you right from January to this moment? So you need to just think of something. So what do we really understand by discount? Okay, discount is some change, some money, that some things that you remove from the main money your customer is supposed to purchase an item with you, but you now say no. Instead of you giving me this amount, I have taken this out of this money, so pay this and don't pay the complete money. This is part of my Christmas bonus that I'm giving to my customers. Do you understand? So before you think of doing discounts, please, you have to also be careful so that you will not have loss in your business. You have to also be careful. You have to check your profits. Check your profits very well. Okay, your profit is when you take out all expenses from that business, and what is remaining is actually your profit for that business. All right, so now it's from that profit that you'll be able to take out something and do a discount for your customers. You can also take part of that money to maybe try to purchase one or two things, little things, just like a gift, to give to them when they come to buy things. I see this happen a lot in the period of December. I've already been receiving it from my customers. I just received a beautiful slippers from my Uber driver. I actually engaged the guy a lot, okay? So the last time I was coming back, I traveled and came back. I gave him a call that, please, I'm landing from the airport. Please kindly try to see how you can pick me up from the airport. So after picking me up, he now came to the house to drop me. And I'm like, he went to the boot. I was like, I didn't put my bag in the boot. What am I carrying? I didn't have a lot of load. So he now went. I didn't know that he went to get a gift for me. I'm going to show you the gift. Okay, let me take it. Yes, he went to get a gift for me. You know, I was so surprised. Like, what's this man doing at the back of this booth? Let me show you the gift. Oh my God. I was so surprised. Let me show it to you. This is what he gave to me. Look at it. And it's a slipper, thick and so solid. Are you seeing it? Beautiful. I was so surprised. I didn't expect anything from him. So this is what a lot of business people are doing just to keep their customers happy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the slipper. Look at how it's so thick. It's so heavy the way I'm carrying it, for you to know that it's actually a good quality. So he gave me the slippers. So this is the same thing I'm saying. You that you're doing a business, you're selling food stuff, you make profit, as I said. Just take it out. You can buy plastic rubbers. You can buy slippers like this. You can just buy things that are not so expensive and give to your customers. When they come to do Christmas shopping, you know what? You just, after they finish buying, you just surprise them with a little gift. Or if you don't have gift to give to them, you can do a discounted price. Do you understand? Instead of them buying something of 1,000 naira, you can say, madam, just pay 800. And the person will be so surprised. Say, what is going on? You said, please, that is your Christmas bonus. Tell me, how won't the person come again to be your customer? This is another part of strategizing and keeping down your customers. This is another way of holding down your customers for 2026. All right, so just think of it. Try to do something. I just showed you my slippers. I have not even worn it. I have not rocked it. Okay, it's still there. I brought it out of the bag. So solid. So this is what I am saying, all right? So you can do through a discounted through pricing, or you can also, as I said, your profit, you take a little out of it and go and buy an item to be able to share to your customers and tell them that this is your Christmas gift. This is what I have to offer. They will appreciate it. No matter what is it, they'll appreciate it. So this is just one that I've gotten from my Uber driver, my Bolt driver, okay, that I used to pick me up, that used to take me to anywhere I want to go to. This is what he gave to me, all right? So I'm actually expecting more from other of my customers, the ones I buy food stuff from. I know that they're going to give me Christmas bonus. They're going to give me Christmas gifts. So I am coming out here and also charging you that if you're doing a business, this is another opportunity of holding back your customers, bringing them back for 2026. So they will keep on buying things from you. So just get them a gift. Little, they will appreciate it. Little gifts, it's okay. They will appreciate it. Nobody wants your money. As I said, you can do it through discounting of prices of items for them. They will really appreciate it. Everybody now wants a Christmas gift. That's what I'm saying. Also give me my gift. Don't forget my own. Don't say I'm far away. I just see her on YouTube alone. So how do I get this gift to her? You can drop it on the comment section. Say, I have a gift for you, and definitely I'll tell you how it will get to me. So if you didn't have it in mind, if you didn't have it as a plan to say thank you to your customers, to say thank you to your business partners, please do. Not only the market seller, in starters, in organization, this is a time for you to buy hamper. Yes, buy hamper and go and give to your business partners, the people that patronize you, the people that gives you contracts. Go and give them hamper so that 2026 they will keep on giving you contracts. Oh, God, so that you continue to be in business. I am saying it now. So go and buy hamper. Go to supermarket, pick a good hamper, go to their office and present it to them. So they will continue to give you that contract. A word is enough for the wise. So thank you so much for always watching my videos. I'm always coming with good vibes, just as I did now, because I know a lot of you didn't even think of this that I just said. So think of it, make a way out, plan it out, and do it for your customers. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for us. Please drop a comment and also like our videos, and please share, because we actually say things that make sense. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.